Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be doing a Kling AI and Sora AI by OpenAI full comparison. So before we get started, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am going to be going to this reputable article. So in comparison to Sora AI, both Kling AI and OpenAI Sora are advanced text to video models. Kling AI offers some advantages: longer video duration, 2 minutes compared to Sora's 1 minute. Currently more accessible for public testing, so potentially benefits from Kuai shows massive user-generated video database for training. So if we go by accessibility and usage, Kling AI is currently available for beta testing exclusively on Kuai, also known as KuaiCut app. Users need to download the KuaiCut application, sign up with a phone number and apply for trial access. The app interface is primarily in Chinese, which may pose challenges for non-Chinese speakers. However, you can see tutorials on the internet to learn how to use it. If we talk about current limitations, public version currently generates only 5-second long videos, which is a significant limitation compared to its reported 2-minute capability. Generated videos may sometimes appear blurry or grainy. Model occasionally ignores major elements in the prompts. As of July 31, 2024, you can generate 3-minute long videos with Pro plans. So future prospects, Kling AI represents a significant advancement in AI-generated video technology. Its potential applications range from enhancing short-form video creation to revolutionizing various aspects of the entertainment and media industries. As the technology continues to develop, it's likely to have a substantial impact on content creation and visual storytelling. While Kling AI shows promise, it's important to note that the technology is still in its beta phase and continues to evolve. Users should expect ongoing improvements and potential changes as the platform develops further. So yeah guys, that's about it for this comparison video. I hope after watching this video you can make a more informed decision. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.